percents. Percents are all over the world. They're used in just about everything that involves a dollar, but people get hung up on them anyway. So the first thing you need to know before we do anything with a percent is that you have to turn it into a decimal before you can use it for anything. So the way we're going to turn it into a decimal, we're going to move the decimal over to the left 2 spots. So 5% would be 0.05, and if I had 0.5%, this is the sort of thing that really confuses people, but I'm still moving it over 2, so that's going to give me 0.005. But it's very important that you move it over twice, even if it is a decimal. All right, now if you want to apply a percent, say I want to find out what 5% of something is, after I've turned it into a decimal, I'm just going to multiply the decimal times whatever the starting amount is. Now if you want to find out what it was before somebody took a percent of it, then I'm going to take this same percent and you're just going to divide it. So like if you want to know how much the shirt was before the sales price, then you divide by